Flat thumbs and flat fingers to all the truthers out there that check the sun in the clouds, bring over the sun filter and testing the new tripod for the holiday. Yeah, the sun is in the clouds, as you can see. The tripod is not so good like the other one, but it's okay. So let's check if we get some sun. The time lapse without sun filter, for sure. Here you can see clearly it's in the clouds. And much love to all the truthers out there. Special thanks to Santos Bonacci for all your help. Martin Liedke, Alex Meckel, Sean Hibbler, Shelley, Louis, Vika Trasif, and everybody who works for the truth. So let's go to time lapse.